simplify. Simplify cube root of minus 512. Solution. Solution. Cube root of minus 512. So for you to find the cube root of this can be written as cube root of what? Minus 512 can be written as minus 1 times 512. Now, let's break 512. By 512. So what number can we use to divide 512 without any remainder? We can use 2. 512 divided by 2. That is 51 divided by 2. What do we have first? We have 25. Remainder 1. So the 1 in front of the 2 now make it to be what? 12. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. Now, what can we use to divide again? We can use 2. Now, 256 divided by 2, what do we have? 128. Now, dividing by 2 again, 128 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, what do we have? 6. Then 8 divided by 2, what do we have? 4. We can use 2. Now, 64 divided by 2, we have 32. Now, using 2. 32 divided by 2, what do we have? 16. Dividing by 2 also. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. Dividing by 2. 8 divided by 2, what do we have? 4. Dividing by 2, what do we have? 4 divided by 2, we have 2. Then, using 2, 2 divided by 2, what do we have? 1. So, we need this. So, in this case, this same thing as cube root of, what do we have? We note that minus 1, if you can recall, minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as minus 1. We analyzed this from our previous lesson. So in that case, minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as minus 1. So we can write this as minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Then times the result we have here, we are going to what? We are going to group them in 3s. The first 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 2 raised to the power of 3. Then the next one, what do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 2 raised to the power of 3. Then the last set, 2 raised to the power of 3. And one of the principles when you want to find cube root is that when you express the number, each number as cube, the base is the answer. Look at cube root. What do we have here? We have this 3. Now the power here is what? Is 3. Assuming here you're having 4. You can't easily get the cube root of this number. So, but because this one is 3, and here we're having 3 here, the cube root of minus 1 raised to the power 3 is going to be the base, which is minus 1. For the next one, which is 2 raised to the power of 3, so the cube root here is 2. Then, for the next one, 2 raised to the power of 3, we also have 2. And 2 raised to the power of 3, we have what? 2 also. So, the final answer, 2 times 2 times 2, what do we have? That is 8. Times minus 1. We now have it to be what? Minus 8. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.